If you have a Toyota Corolla E210 like this one with the 1.8 litre hybrid engine and you need to replace your mass airflow sensor, I'm going to show you how in this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a 2024 Toyota Corolla E210. This is a sedan, but that doesn't matter. This will be the same for both models with the 1.8 litre hybrid engine. So to do this job, we're going to be underneath the hood. So you go into your driver's side of the vehicle and pull that tab there just to open up the bonnet latch. Come back to the front of the car, put your hand in just above the Toyota badge and push that lever there to the left. Then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. There you go. Once that's nice and secure, you can have a look around the engine bay. We've got some fluids reservoirs down this side, main engine block in the middle there. There's all the coil packs nice and accessible. We've got our motor for the hybrid system, battery fuses, and right in the middle here is our air box where our air filter is actually housed. You notice just to the left of that we've got this small sensor here. This is actually your mass airflow sensor, and the only tool to replace this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So the first thing we'll do is just take off the electrical connection. You're just going to push in the tab and pull that off, and then undo both these screws fully. Once both those screws are off, we can just actually take out the mass airflow sensor, and this is exactly what it looks like. So you can actually get a mass airflow sensor cleaner. It comes in a spray bottle. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can see where you can get it from. But this one is obviously brand new from a brand new car. If you do need to replace it, you just get your new one, or even if you've just cleaned it, and we just slide it straight back in, making sure it doesn't twist on the way down. You don't want to damage it. And then put the 2 screws back in. Now these are just screwed into plastic, so you don't need to do them up too tight. I'd always recommend just getting them up 1 or 2 turns by hand and then go to your screwdriver. And then last thing, we're just going to pop our electrical connection back on like that. So there you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace a mass airflow sensor on a E210 Toyota Corolla with the 1.8 litre hybrid engine. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.